Here I've got BUSH Spira B5 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open accounts and then click on add account. Pick Google because we would like to add Google account. Now just connect your device with Wi-Fi. This one is mine. Just let me enter the password. And as only your device is connected to internet, just click on add account one more time, pick Google, and as you can see now, your device will check for the all information, and then you will be able to log in with your Google account. And now just enter your email address and tap on next. And here we have to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And just click on next. And here we've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you agree with everything, just click on I agree. And as you can see now, your device is connected with this Google account and you can use all the features. You can also set some payment info if you want to, but I will skip it. And here it is. Here is your Google account added to this BUSH. Then if you would like to remove Google account, you have to open the settings one more time, then go to the accounts, pick the Google account that you would like to delete, tap on more icon right here, and then select remove account. And now confirm that you would like to erase this account with all its messages, contacts and other data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, your device is no longer connected to this account and you can use some other or smoothly have the device without any Google account. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily add and remove Google account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.